So next is eigenvalue and eigenvectors. This is an important topic in matrices. So for example, consider this product 6, 3, 4, 7 into 3, 4 is equal to multiplying 18 plus 12, 30, then 12 plus 28, 40, 30, 40. And we can write the product 30, 40 as 10 into 3, 4. We can take 10 outside. So this is a pattern, that is, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, this is a column vector, and this is a constant or scalar. Same column vector appears here also. So this product is written as A into X is equal to lambda into X. Ax is equal to lambda x. X is the column vector, lambda that constant, then A is the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, such problems are called eigenvalue problem. That is, if A is a square matrix and X is a column vector, lambda is scalar, then Ax is equal to lambda x. X is called the eigenvector, and this x is not equal to 0, because if it is 0, it is understood that 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so it is a non-trivial case. This is a trivial case, x is equal to 0. So x is called the eigenvector. X is the vector which is not equal to 0, and lambda is called the eigenvalue. Okay, understood. Ax is equal to lambda x. For this, Ax is equal to lambda x. Lambda is called the eigenvalue and x is called the eigenvector. So if Ax is equal to lambda x, what is Ax minus lambda x? It will be 0. So we can take x outside from in the right hand side. So a minus lambda into I into x is equal to 0. So this is a homogeneous system as we have seen earlier. Okay. And we have assumed that this x is a eigenvector which is non-zero, not equal to 0. So this homogeneous system is having a non-trivial solution. That means determinant of a minus lambda is 0. So determinant of a minus lambda is equal to 0 gives an equation in lambda. Okay, and this equation is called characteristic equation. And solving this characteristic equation, we get values for lambda, that is eigenvalues. Okay, so how to find the eigenvalues? By solving the characteristic equation. To find the characteristic equation in particular case, that is for a 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrix. If a 2 by 2 matrix is given, A is a 2 by 2 matrix, then we get a second order equation, that is quadratic equation. And if it's a 3 by 3 matrix, we get a cubic equation. So if A is a 2 by 2 matrix, the quadratic equation will be lambda square minus S1 lambda plus S2 is equal to 0, where S1 is the sum of diagonal elements, S2 is determinant of A. And if A is a 3 by 3 matrix, we get a third degree equation, or it is a cubic equation starting with the lambda cube. So it is lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus S3 is equal to 0. What is S1? S1 is the sum of the diagonal elements, diagonals in the sum. Then S2 is the sum of the minors of the diagonal elements. Minor of diagonal elements means for each of the diagonal elements, delete the row and column and find the subdeterminant value, that is a minor. And for those 3 diagonal elements, find 3 subdeterminants and find the sum. Then S3 is determinant of A. Okay, S3 is determinant of A. So from these equations, we can find the characteristic equation easily. Okay. Consider an example. Find the eigenvalue, eigenvector of A is equal to 3, 4, 4 minus 3. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix, right? So what will be the characteristic equation? It will be lambda square minus S1 lambda plus S2 is equal to 0, because it is a quadratic equation. 2 by 2 matrix sum of quadratic equation. And what is S1? S1 is sum of the diagonal elements. What is the sum of the diagonal elements? 3 plus minus 3, it is 0. And what is S2? S2 is determinant of A. Minus 9 minus 16 is minus 25. Okay. So the equation is lambda square minus 0 lambda minus 25 is equal to 0, or lambda square minus 25 is equal to 0, or lambda square is 25, lambda is root of 25, it is plus or minus 5. So these are the lambda plus 5 and minus 5 are the eigenvalues. Lambda plus 5 and minus 5 are the eigenvalues. Next we have to find the eigenvectors for each of the eigenvalues. So first consider lambda is equal to 5. So a minus lambda into x is equal to 0. From this only we get x. So what is a minus lambda I? From a, subtract lambda times I, that is 5005. Lambda is 5. That means 3 minus 5, 4 remains the same. 4 minus 0, 4 remains the same. Minus 3 minus 5. That is diagonals in the minus 5 minus ചെയ്താൽ മതി. Okay. Diagonals in the മാത്രം 5 minus ചെയ്യുക. Subtract 5 from the diagonal elements only. And this is minus 2, 4, 4 minus 8 into x1, x2 is equal to 0. And we have assumed that x is not equal to 0. Not assumption. It is a rule that eigenvector is not equal to 0. So we get rank as 1. Okay, determinant of the rank of the matrix is, it should be 1. That means, or we can find the rank. These two rows are multiples. Okay, so applying the transformations we get minus 2, 4, 0, 0. So only equation minus 2x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 0. Minus 2x1 plus 4x2 0. And two variables and one equation, so n minus 1, that is, put any one of the variables to arbitrary constant. Here I put x2 1, then we will be getting x1 as 2. So the first eigenvector x1 is 2 1, x1 2, x2 1. Okay, next for lambda is equal to minus 5. Similarly, similar operation, that is subtract this lambda from the diagonals only. So 3 minus minus 5 is 3 plus 5. 4, 4 minus 3 plus 5 into x1, x2 0. That is we getting 4, 8, 4, 4, 2. These two rows are also equal. So we can take any one of the row, 8, 4 only, or we can write the rank 8, 4, then 0, 0. Okay. So 8 x1 plus 4 x2 0. Here also put x2 1, then x1 will be minus 1 by 2. So what is the second vector? x1 minus 1 by 2, x2 1. This is the infinite number of solution, infinite number of vectors, so no need of writing as a fraction. So multiply, we can multiply both the terms by the denominator 2, that is minus 1, 2. Okay, so these are the eigenvectors.